This courtroom is about to explode: missing attorneys, revoked bonds, and a defendant who just learned the hard way what THC means in court. Buckle up, because this isn't just a hearing, it's a wake-up call in real time.
Jaws Cole. Jaws. I think he's out.
When did you hire him?
Friday, he's something.
I can't. He's my like. When did you hire him?
Friday. So,
Did you give him like the notice of your appearance, sir?
He said he was sending me food yesterday morning.
Well, if we don't have anything from him.
He hasn't filed anything into the case yet, as far as I can tell.
You have his phone number, don't you? Call him up. Tell him he needs to be here to help you. I mean, if he's representing you, he needs to be here. We don't do it by telepathy. You got to be here in person.
Here's the legal reality. Hiring a lawyer is not like ordering takeout. You don't just say you did it. Needs to be on paper, filed, and official. The judge is not running on faith. He's running on documentation.
And something needs to be in the file. He knows it needs to be in the record, and there's nothing showing that he's representing you. Until such time that happens, Langston Adams continues to represent you. You can say you hired somebody, but you've got to show with writing and records that that's been done so that it's official. Otherwise, the way the rules are, he continues to be the attorney. But call him up and we'll wait. We got other things to do, but call him up and tell him we're waiting on him. You tested positive for THC, tetrahydrocannabinol marijuana. What's his bond? Your bond is revoked. It is now $20,000, and you must have.
And there it is. The moment everything spirals. One failed drug test, and boom, bond revoked. Patch required, and a third-degree felony hanging over his head. What would you do if a single mistake suddenly cost you your freedom?
Have a drug patch as a condition of bond from here on. Do you understand? This is no way to handle a third-degree felony. You're charged with a third-degree felony of injury to a child. You're looking at up to 10 years in prison. So you're going to deal with this in the most irresponsible way possible by using drugs? Foolish. You're not learning anything from this. You're not learning anything. You're not on the right path at all. Okay, so who do we have representing? Is it Mr. Adams?
Yes. Well, he said he hired Charles, but yeah, I'm here just for.
Anyway, you're taken into custody, and next time I catch you with drugs, you won't have a bond. You'll just sit it out in jail until this thing's over with. You understand? All right. Okay.
You want to look at something real quick? Take care of everything.
Sit down. Do you need to get something from him? Okay, the bailiffs are going to take care of that and get it over to you, whatever his personal matters are. Okay. Thank you. Hey, Leon.
Yes, sir.
How's it going in there? I wouldn't want to be in there. How many people are in there?
About 30.
30. And they're, you buddy, they're just, you don't want to live with those guys, right?
No, sir.
How long do you want to stay in jail?
I don't know.
I wouldn't a minute. Anything you learned here in the last 30, 40 minutes?
I don't.
That right there. That's fear sinking in. The kind you cannot fake. This isn't just a lecture, it's a reality check with iron bars behind it. And notice how the judge frames it. Your destiny. A phrase that hits harder than any gavel.
Beer. I don't want a beer.
That's your destiny when you use drugs illegally and commit crimes. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I mean, do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
That's kind of like a shock probation in there. We pulled you through. We wanted to see how you would sense and understand and appreciate the environment that you have elected and chosen to make by not following the rules. That's your destiny, unless you change. Not tomorrow, not next week, not next year, but right this moment.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand and appreciate that?
Yes, sir.
You need to have a drug patch. The bond is going to continue to be the same. You have to have a drug patch before you leave here. Get that, you'll be released
Yes, sir.
on that bond. And then he's got a next event.
You want to give him 24 hours, Judge, maybe?
You can't get it here. The drug patch, like he has to go to the place and
Yeah.
put it on.
They send a confirmation to the
Yeah,
court
just-
once he gets it.
They even,
So within 24 hours, if you don't have the confirmation in your file,
It's just a suggestion, Judge. You get it.
Yes, yeah. If they don't have a program that gets you, you got the end of the day. By the end of the day, that's what you can do. You understand? And confirm it with the person who puts it on. You'll be then, as a condition of bond, the bondsman will be notified.
Is not it wild that the court has to be more serious about the defendant's future than he is? This is the heart of courtroom drama. The law can offer structure, but it cannot force wisdom. That part's on the person being judged.
You have a drug patch so that can be monitored. But you fail that, then you fail. You'll be right back there, and that'll be where you sit until we can resolve this, which could take a while. You understand?
Yes, sir.
But we're serious about it. But the thing is, we seem to be more serious about it than you do, and you're supposed to be taking it far more seriously than us. Are you? Are you understanding and appreciating? Rule following is vital. You don't follow the rules, you get punished. These kind of actions can affect you the rest of your life. If you're convicted of a crime, a felony, it's with you the rest of your life. And doors of opportunity are closed. You don't have the options that you would otherwise have to live out your dream of what you want to do, as long as it's the right thing. You know, you want a good dream, not a bad dream. And absolutely no drugs, no firearms.
And that's the message. Rules are not just lines on paper. They are the boundary between freedom and a lifetime of locked doors. The real sentence is not just time, it's the future you don't get to live.
Following the rules like all of us in this room do. We have to follow the same rules. And you can imagine how accountable I would be, or Mr. Samuel would be, or the prosecutors or bailiffs would be if they got caught doing something. We'd really be a big target. But we don't do that, because there are we come to appreciate and cherish the more important things: freedom and being able to live in a free society and enjoy your freedoms, but follow the rules. All right. That's my lecture as a parent to you. But